Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Lip and Lunkers Fishing. Today, we're out here on a beautiful stretch of the Wabash River, just outside of Bluffton, Indiana. Got some night crawlers with me. It's a beautiful day outside. It's like 77 degrees on an October Saturday. I got a couple hours to kill before I got to go bowl in a bowling league with my dad and my grandparents and my brother. And I think we're going to get baited up, see if we can have any luck. So, thanks for joining me on this adventure. Man, it's beautiful out here. Let's get to it. All right. Got ourselves baited up. Let's get out here and see if we can catch anything. Looky here, folks. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? See that up there? That bird flying? It's a bald eagle. Man. Where did he go? Where did he go? There he is. Yep, there he is. It's a bald eagle flying up there, folks. Man, that's beautiful. He's a young one. He ain't got his white head yet. Set you back down over here. Whoa. All right. Let's try and get you back where I had you. There we go. Seeing them bald eagles like that, man, that's really cool. You don't see them too often, but when you do, it sure is a sight. Man, I don't care if I catch anything today or not. Of course, it'd really be nice if I did. But I tell you, just being out here on a beautiful day, sun shining, the wind blowing through the trees, and a line in the water, that right there is enough to turn any bad or mediocre day into a really good one. Oh, we're going to move spots. Not feeling so good about this one anymore. But hey, at least we got to see that bald eagle. Man, was that a sight. What a windy day. Wind took off and blew the tripod right over. Yeah, I need to do something.
You want me to stop fishing and just hold it for you?
No. No, you're alright. I'm just looking for a place where I can go where I can set the tripod down and it be out of the wind. Alright, so let's walk down here. Why?